So you're a league bowler, you want to buy a ball, you don't know what ball to buy, but you want a ball because, you want to buy a ball for league, because that's what you do. You bowl league every week, once or twice a week, and again, you just don't know what ball to buy. Well, today I'm going to show you a brand new ball from Storm. All right, so I have just the ball for you, the Storm Equinox. It's really great on a lot of different patterns, but specifically 39 to 44 foot house shots. All of you out there are mostly bowling on a house shot, right? If you're a league bowler once or twice a week, you bowl in a local center, you don't travel and do all these big tournaments, and you just want a reliable bowling ball that's shiny, that gets down the lane and hooks. That's what people really do want, especially on the house shots. Well, the Storm Equinox is the answer. It's got the AI core technology, it's a Pearl Reactive cover, and man, this ball hooks quite a bit down lane. So let's take a look at a few shots. Balance, but the ball went all the way through the pins. So that Pearl Coverstock is getting the ball further down. AI core technology, getting it to really drive through the pins. This throwback logo, it's pretty cool. The old Flying S, the Streamline. Got the original, the now new logo, regular logo. So what do you guys think happened there? I got the ball a little further right, and it looked like it read sooner, right? I got it to the right and it kind of stopped and labored, and that's why I left that 710. So it does happen. So now we're going to compare this a little bit to the Phaze AI, throw a couple shots with that, and we'll see what the motion's like. So I really like the Phaze series. I've always liked this. This is a good, just overall bowling ball. I know it's not asymmetric, but it's something I've been throwing quite a bit, so I'd like to see what this ball does in comparison to the Equinox, the Phaze AI. So that one's just a little smoother. It's not so responsive down lane. Just a nice casual benchmark reaction, but that Equinox, as you saw in some of the other shots, just really banged off the back. So Phaze AI a little bit smoother, Equinox a little bit more down lane motion, but let's do a few more. All right, we're off the lanes. That was an awesome ball, right? The ball hooks a lot, like a lot of other Storm bowling balls, but the Pearl cover is saving energy. It's getting the ball through the skid, hook, and roll phase. And how about those colors? You guys saw how it was just kind of swirling down there? What do you think? Do you like the copper and purple? I mean, that's what I think it looks like, and silver. I think it's a really cool color blend. The ball smells great. Another great Storm bowling ball. You have to get this ball down the lane, right? Any bowling ball. And on 39 to 44 feet, which is a typical house shot for most bowlers, this is gonna be a great option. Make sure to get your bowling ball cleaned, sanded, and polished at your local pro shop. We have services here at Pro Approach Bowling that can help you with that as well. And you can always head over to proapproachbowling.com to check out some more information and to order yours. And before I forget, RG and differential, I just wanted to explain that for just a moment. This ball has a low RG number of 2.48 and a higher differential number. So it's getting the ball to hook a little bit earlier, but that Pearl Coverstock is getting it down the lane, and the differential number is getting the ball to flare and create strong back-end reaction, which Storm is really known for, right? So if you'd like to get yours, head to proapproachbowling.com to get your Storm Equinox today, or stop into one of our locations. If you have any questions or like to know more about my thoughts on the ball, just comment below and I'll answer you. I'll see you all in the next video.